Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. I know you are here because you are facing a difficult situation. You are in debt and you don't know how to get out of it. You are feeling stressed, anxious, depressed, and hopeless. You are wondering if you will ever be free from your debt and live a happy and fulfilling life. You are not alone. Millions of people around the world are struggling with debt and its negative effects on their mental health. Debt can cause a lot of emotional pain and suffering. It can make you feel ashamed, guilty, angry, and worthless. It can make you lose your confidence, your self-esteem, and your sense of purpose. It can make you feel like you are a failure and a burden to others. But I'm here to tell you that debt doesn't define you. Debt is not who you are. Debt is not your identity. Debt is not your destiny. Debt is just a temporary situation that you can overcome with the right mindset, attitude, and actions. Debt is a challenge that you can face and conquer with courage, determination, and resilience. Debt is an opportunity for you to learn, grow, and transform yourself and your life. You can be more than your debt. You can be more than your financial problems. You can be more than your stress and your worries. You can be more than your negative thoughts and feelings. You can be more than your past mistakes and failures. You can be more than your current circumstances and limitations. You can be free from your debt. You can be free from your debt stress. You can be free from your debt depression. You can be free from your debt and live the life you deserve. How can you do that? How can you break free from your debt and reclaim your happiness and well-being? Here are some tips and strategies that can help you cope with debt stress and get debt relief. First, acknowledge your debt and write it down. Don't hide from your debt or pretend it doesn't exist. Face it and own it. Talk to someone you trust about your debt and how it makes you feel. Write down all your debts, from the smallest to the largest, and how much you owe, to whom, and when. This will help you get a clear picture of your financial situation and make a realistic plan to pay off your debt. Second, prioritize your debt and make a budget. Decide which debts are the most urgent and important to pay off first, and which ones can wait. Make a budget that shows your income and expenses, and how much you can afford to pay towards your debt each month. Stick to your budget and track your progress. This will help you manage your money better and reduce your debt faster. Third, identify your spending habits and change them. Find out what triggers you to spend money you don't have or need. Is it boredom, stress, loneliness, or something else? How can you cope with those emotions in a healthier way? What can you do to avoid temptation and impulse buying? How can you save money and cut costs on your daily expenses? Change your spending habits and live within your means. This will help you avoid getting into more debt and free up some cash to pay off your existing debt. Fourth, take care of your mental health and seek help if needed. Don't let debt stress affect your physical and emotional health. Take care of yourself and do things that make you happy and relaxed. Exercise, meditate, sleep well, eat healthy, and have fun. Seek professional help if you feel overwhelmed, depressed, or suicidal. There are many resources and support groups that can help you cope with debt stress and improve your mental health. You don't have to suffer alone or in silence. Reach out and get the help you need.